Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northeastern Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Channel Lake to Round Lake, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gages Lake, Lindenhurst, Third Lake, and Grandwood Park around 8:50 p.m. Gurney around 8:55 p.m. Waukegan and Wadsworth around 9 p.m. Beach Park around 9:05 p.m. Zion and Winthrop Harbor around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fox Lake Hills, Round Lake Heights, Old Mill Creek, Haynesville, Round Lake Beach, and Round Lake Park. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 9. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no